In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to download Tidal Data for any location. So to do that, open your browser and open a new tab. Then type in WXTide32. Then click enter. So when you enter this first page, WXTide, click on it. It will open a new page which look like this. So the program is a free window tide and current prediction programs, and it predicts tide from 1970 through 2037. They have about 9,500 stations worldwide. So you can download a lot of data from there, and if you want to, you can read more about it. If you scroll down, come under download. So you can auto install up for Windows 7. However, if you are using other Windows, you can download here. Click on this link. Then you click on start download. It's very light app. So the download is done. Let's go to our download. Click on download. Yes, this is it. Right click to extract it. Click on extract files. Click on OK. It is extracted. Then open it. Come to the application. Right click it. This is it. Then click on run as administrator. So it will open the software like this. Then you can expand this. You can expand it, or you can bring it to any corner of your choice. You can expand it like this. Now to download, you have to find the location. To do that, click on file, come to location. When you click on location, it will open this text file and the world map like this. Then you need to click, you can drag and expand it. Then you need to click on your location where you want to download. If you click on area, it will show the stations in red. These are the stations available in this region. So, and it will display the names of those stations here. If you scroll down, you can see the various names of locations or stations in this region you have selected. So you can click here to zoom in properly. You can see all the stations available in this region that measures tide. Then if you come here, you see the name of those stations. You can see Calabar, you can see Opobo River. You can see a lot of stations named here. So let's download for Lagos State. So click on Lagos. Then click on OK. So come to File. Then click on Daily Tides. Daily Tides. Then the tide step, let's leave it at 60. Then length, that's number of days. Let's choose 20 days. Then let's set the date. Click here to set the date. Let's download for February. Yes, let's say February 22nd. Then click on start. So it will download the data. Then you can now come to this text file. So this is it. You can see it here. You can see the low tide, the high tide for each day and time. So you can scroll down, you see the previous days. So it is a very simple thing to do and straightforward to download this tide data. So this is how to download Tidal data for any location. Thank you for watching.